Hello dear friends, welcome to my drawing class. Now we're drawing goldfish. Let's get started.
At first I draw eye. That's a eye, and you draw eye. It's a eyeball. Then I drawing a fish face and body. You looking to this. Hello. Yeah. That's you. Now we're doing wing. It's a wing or fin. Its fish are wing. We're drawing. That's you. Yeah. Now we face. It's a okay. Yeah. Now fish tail. It's a fish tail. Okay. That's draw you fish tail. It's a tall. It's okay. It's a wing, top wing. Top wing or fins. Draw fins. Drawing a fins. Okay. It's a tail. Okay, tail. Yeah. This. Okay. Yeah. Fish scales or ash fish scale. Okay, finish. Okay, now face is line. Okay, line. Okay, bottom fins or wing. Draw wing fish. Okay, tail. Okay, finish. Okay, finish. Goodbye.